Okay, we have a Lagun CNC Bed Mill, model FBF-L1200. The machine has a 4th axis TSUDAKOMA rotary table. It has a manual Omni universal head, and we're going to run it for you. The machine is a 47 by 21.5 inch regular T-slotted table, and then you have a TSUDAKOMA 19.6 or 500 millimeter 4th axis table. We're running the spindle right now. How much? 100. Spindle goes up to 3,000 RPM. 250. It has a Cat 50 taper. 750. 1,200. Okay. We're going to run the axes around. That's the rotary table. It's a model RNCM 501 TSUDAKOMA rotary table. That's your Y axis, which is a ram coming in and out. That's your Z, your head going up and down, and your X. Your travels are 44 inches in the X, 23.58 in the Y, and 23 5/8 in the Z. And you have a FANUC control, model OM. All right, hey, I think you've seen our video.